Here's India in the last 24 hours. In Delhi, over 20 people died and several were injured after a fire broke out at Lemon Green Restaurant's Malviya Nagar on Wednesday. 3 people were rescued from the basement. In Karnataka, DK Shivkumar took oath as Chief Minister today with 13 cabinet members by his side. His family members, including his daughter and brother, were present at the ceremony in Bengaluru. In Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah launched a protest in parliament today demanding the restoration of statehood, signaling a shift in his approach after years of working with the centre. The US announced tariffs of 10 to 12.5% on 60 countries, including India, over concerns they're not doing enough to stop forced labor in their supply chains. An Indian analyst says this is pressure tactics as trade talks between the two countries continue. In the escalating US-Iran conflict, Iranian drones struck Kuwait's international airport on Wednesday, killing 1 Indian citizen and injuring more than 60 others. Iran denied responsibility, but the US said the attack was deliberate and unjustified. In Tripura, Amit Shah begins a 2-day Northeast visit Thursday, starting with a trip to the India-Bangladesh border to meet with BSF personnel. He'll also chair meetings on regional development and space technology applications across the Northeast. The Congress is ramping up protests across the country over NEET and CBSE exam issues, with Youth Congress launching a nationwide campaign starting 29th May through 20th June. Party leaders have warned members to stay focused on student concerns and not get sidetracked by rival groups planning their own demonstrations. Telangana's budget for 2026-27 has shrunk to 3.01 lakh crore rupees in the first month, down from the planned 3.24 lakh crore. State officials say the financial situation remains stressful, with April revenue receipts at just 10,974 crore. On 10th June, Prime Minister Modi will surpass Jawaharlal Nehru's record, becoming the longest-serving elected head of government in independent India with over 4,000 days in office.